Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth without working twice as hard? It's not luck. It's not a secret. It's how they use money. Most people work hard just to spend everything they earn. They wait for the next paycheck, and they're stuck in a loop. But the wealthy? They make money work for them. And here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to start doing the same. Let me show you something simple. If you invest just $10 a week, that's one meal, one coffee. In 20 years with average returns, you could have over $20,000 without doing anything crazy. Just consistency. Now imagine starting earlier or investing more. This is called compound growth. The longer your money stays invested, the harder it works, and the less you need to do. Still think investing is risky? You know what's riskier? Doing nothing. Inflation eats your savings. Time slips by, and regret builds. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a lot of money. You just need to start. So what's stopping you? If you're ready to break the cycle and take control of your future, this channel is here to help. You don't need luck. You just need a plan. This is Finverse, and your journey starts now.